People, Joel Benjamin 528, aka Big Money Benjamin. Salute to the international audience. Salute to the domestic. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Oh, do I got a good show for you tonight? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where do I begin, people? Well, first off, let me start by saying today is my birthday, and I'm going to give y'all a treat today. I'm going to give y'all a present today. How about that? That's how we're going to do it. And of course, people said, yo, you going live? Oh, what? Like, yo, it is what it is. I've been on go mode all day and I'm trying, and I still got to go wash. Yes, I'm doing all this stuff on my birthday. And I still got to go out and get something to eat for me. But people was saying, hey, you gotta post your Cash App, something. Could I send you some XRP? And I'm like, all right, I will. I will. Not expecting nothing, but I will. So, I ain't one of them people that be posting up GoFundMe's and all that. Y'all know. Um, Yo, hold on one second. I don't like how this stuff got me fading out like if I'm a ghost. Hold on one second. Let me fix the lighting, people. Hold up. Am I still fading out like I'm a ghost? Let me see. Let me move my arm. Yep. I don't know what's going on. Alright, well, y'all should be able to see me good. Anyway, I don't like how I just don't like how that's doing. I know it's been doing that since the last live stream. Hold on, let me fix this. Maybe this will do. Let me move my all right. Now I got the lighting properly. There we go. Whew, the L's are going live, right, people? All right, so all the people telling me thank you. Well, happy birthday. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate you. If somebody wants to send me something, Cash App is $ Joel Benjamin 528. And if anybody wants to send me some XRP, if you want to, if you want to find it in your heart, here is the address. Oh, damn, I didn't even copy the address. Let me see here. There we go. Oof. Right there it is. Post it up for y'all guys. Okay. Let me make sure I put it for my Rumble audience. Put it in the chat for my Rumble audience. Bear with me. Trust me. Y'all gonna get a nice, quick, good show. You will be happy. Believe me when I tell you that. You will be happy. Hold on here. Goodness gracious. I'm telling y'all. The ills of going live here. Unbelievable. All right. Rumble audience. It's going right there in the chat for you as well. That is the XRP address. Okay. Anyway, let's go on. I see a lot of people wishing me happy birthday. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sin Galactic. What's this? La J, thank you very much. Melanie Mans, I greatly appreciate you. Thank you. Benisha, thank you very much. Jamie K, thank you. Lisa 888, thank you. And yep, Felicia Cox, thank you very much. Again, if you want to send me something, Cash App, $ Joel Benjamin 528. And if you want to send me some XRP, this is the link. Okay, we already like 5 minutes in. Let's get started. And don't worry, you don't need no memo address or tag in order to do this. I just ask, if you do send me XRP, please make sure you text me and let me know at 929-374-3828. I want to give you a special thank you. All right. Woo! Now, I've been hearing all this stuff. Some of y'all be looking a gift horse in the mouth. Let me start. Don't say I'm mean. Don't say I'm rude. I'm just telling y'all like it is. Some of y'all out there, most likely, hopefully not my audience, but if y'all scared, I'ma let y'all know, because y'all got some goofy asses out there, right? That like they just can't handle it. I don't know what's going on with people acting like Donald Trump ain't doing a good job. I've been told y'all this was gonna happen. And come to find out, you had different prophets out there that was saying it. No problem. No problem at all. They said it was gonna be trade wars. Yeah, they were right. You gotta give them that. You gotta give them that. But let me see. Let me pull this up. Let me pull this up for y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna have some videos. All right. So one of the stuff with the trade wars, right? That's going down. The tariffs. No tariffs on text. No tariff on tech. Y'all got that? There will be no tariffs on tech. They basically ran to Donald Trump begging for no tariffs. All right. So we got tariff exemptions on smartphones, because remember, iPhone and the rest of them, they get a lot of that stuff from China. Trump really didn't give a damn. He was like, yo, this is what it is. Y'all gonna have to eat that. But they went crying and he obliged. So I'm gonna share my screen. Yeah, I ain't got time for the New York Post. New York Post always want to put shit behind a paywall. Like, yo, y'all mad goofy for that. Hold on, people. Bear with me. Okay. I just want to show you the article real quick. There we go. Smartphones and computers are now exempt from Trump's largest tariffs. There you go. Y'all can't say the man didn't do something or nothing for y'all. So y'all can't be all scared. Listen, just because he didn't put a tariff, he made it exempt, doesn't mean we're out of the clear. I want y'all to know that. It does not mean, once again, we're in the clear. A lot of people, I've been hearing talk about, oh, hold on one second. Don't tell me this stuff is not showing up. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Unbelievable. There we go. Sorry about that, people. Here's the ills of going live. CNN got the shit all freezing. This is ridiculous. I can't make this shit up. Difficulties for a second here. These motherfuckers. You really can't make this shit up. Am I back? Am I back, people? Why am I hearing? Oh, yep. Look like I'm back. All right. This stuff is moving slowly though. Let's see. Let's see. Let's try this again. All right, people. Look like we're having some residuals of Mercury retrograde. Still some technical difficulties. But as you could see here, smartphones and computers are now exempt from Trump latest tariff. I wanted to read the article for you, but it looks like that's not going to happen because for some reason computer acting up, acting crazy. Um so we're going to move on. Let me see if I could at least play the video for you. If this don't work, then hey, I'm just gonna have to come back. I guess that's the powers that be saying, yo, stop doing live stream on your birthday. I guess that's what it is. But I'm gonna try to get this video in for you. If I can't, you gotta forgive me. It is what it is. Uh, Let me show this. Nope. So China, like I was saying, China is basically feeling the crunch. I've been seeing a lot of videos of people talking about, oh, China got us on the ropes. And no, the F they don't. I'm hearing people talking about, oh, they're making it where you could go get how you call it, the bags and all that stuff. That's bullshit. No one is jumping on the plane. No one is jumping on the plane, spending thousands of dollars to fly to no damn China. It's not happening. To buy a fake bag for $20, $50. So a lot of times y'all can't tell the difference. And we don't need none of that shit anyway. Let me be the first one to say it. Y'all be doing too much. It's not that serious. Okay? So now, I really had a show really prepared for y'all because I wanted to show y'all the video. I got to show y'all this video. Because this is how people is so happy, they goofy ass in they glee. And I'm accustomed watching this content creator. She be coming with some good stuff. Let me see if I can share this. Come on, man. Oh my gosh. What the hell is TikTok doing? I don't get it. Try playing this again. People, they really don't want to get this. All right, now let me explain that goofy ass shit y'all just seen. Okay? Because that's exactly what it was. Some goofy ass shit. All right? Ain't no damn. And she all happy and giddy. She thought she really cooked. She thought she was really cooking. All right? China is feeling it. Now I'm about to play this next video for y'all. Watch this shit. Y'all are saying no sound, but if it's no sound, basically, all right, let me break it down for you. Homegirl, the last one, I don't know why the hell it's no sound. That shit don't make no sense to me. I can't believe this. This live stream was supposed to just move smoothly, but it ain't. So it looked like I'm gonna have to spin the block again. Let me try to fix this audio. Nope, can't even fix the audio. The audio, nothing is wrong with the audio, so I don't know why you're not hearing any sound. But anyway, this video is when the was 35% tariffs on, and they're crying how much they're losing money, all these factories in China. Okay, they are at a huge loss. Let me see if I could get this video playing once again. Hold on, y'all, bear with me. Let me see. If this don't work, then hey, I tried. Nope, not playing. Oh well. Anyway, so basically, they're showing all the shoes and everything that America gets. Now, mind you, they're crying, they're feeling it. The orders for $50 million, right? If they were crying when it was only 35% tariffs put on, what's going to happen with 140 something percent tariffs? All right. I wish I could have had the audio working properly. I don't know what the hell is going on, why the audio is not working properly tonight, but it is what it is. The fact remains, this is bullshit. They're trying to make it seem like, oh, America is going to do so bad. The shelves are empty. The shelves is empty of shit you don't need. When it comes to beef, they don't take our beef. Then they're talking about some housing bonds and shit they're gonna sell. China talking about they're gonna sell that. Are y'all stupid or are y'all stupid? Really, answer me the question. Are you stupid or are you stupid? Because if China sells those housing bonds and everything dropped, that's a damn good thing. Why? Why is it a good thing? None of y'all could afford to buy a damn house now anyway. There is a reset happening. And Trump is using stupid ass China to do so. Okay? The more China put tariffs on, the more Trump gonna raise the tariffs on them. They lucky it's not me. I would have put a billion, 1 billion% tariffs on their ass. China economic system is down bad, and they're trying to show face. What they're doing is like the art of war. When you're weak, appear to be strong. When you're strong, appear to be weak. When you're few, make it seem like you're many. When you're many, make it seem like you're few. We're not fooling. We're not falling for that foolishness. That's not happening anymore. I wanted to play video of Obama talking about tariffs, Nancy Pelosi talking about how we need to put tariffs on China, both of them. Hillary Clinton talking about how we need to put tariffs on China. These are all old videos. And y'all don't get it. The damn stock market went crashing down, and instead of y'all idiots buying, y'all crying. Some of y'all don't even own no damn stocks, and y'all was crying. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. The stock market is down. What is Trump doing to the economy? I was about to curse. Why the F do you care? You don't own no stocks. You ain't investing in no stocks. Talking about crying. Oh, crypto is down. The market is bad. Crypto is down. You don't own no crypto. Goofy asses. Why y'all crying? If you knew, you buy when there's blood in the streets, even if it's your own. You buy the dip and you would have been out. You would have been up. I told you about Crypto Pro Life, right? Remember, you still got chance. Contact Crypto Pro Life at gmail.com and you tell them Joel Benjamin 528 referred you and you get their latest course. Why is that? Now check this out. This is what helped with the tariffs. Oh, let me address this situation of these goofy asses talking about they going and buy bags. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not going and buy no bags. You're not going all this about, oh, China making it where you could come there and give you 200 and something hour visa to come shop. Shut your goofy asses up. Y'all sound real stupid. All right? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this right here. Check this out. Tell me if this is not goofy on a whole new level. Hold on now. Wait a minute. I got y'all. Now look at this. Y'all paying this much? This is round trip. $1,476. This is leaving on what? The 14th? All right, round trip. Look at this. Look, one stop. 20-hour and 25-minute flight. Shut y'all goofy asses up. Y'all ain't going nowhere. Y'all ain't going nowhere. It's not happening. You sound stupid. Getting all excited. Who China say you're not paying this money? All right? Look at this next flight right here. Notice this is from New York JFK to Beijing. This next one, $1,671. 23 hours and 10 minutes flight. You not paying that. Goofy asses. This one, 1,677. It's like, gosh damn. It's like the higher the price go, the longer they keep your ass up in the air. 25 hours and 5 minutes. This flight. Okay? Y'all not doing that. Y'all not doing that. And if you really want to go fast and get there quick, okay, now this one is cheaper. 16 hours and 45 minutes non-stop in the air. $3,081. $3,081. Your goofy ass is not paying that. Stop it. You're not. You're not going to do it. You are not going to do it to get knockoff Coach bags, Louis Vuitton bags. There's on TikTok, it's all over my timeline. Now they're exposing Louis Vuitton, Coach, and all of them how they been how you say, been making the supplies for y'all hype beast out there. Okay, China been getting over a long time. And since when China ain't been the enemy? Could somebody fill me in? Since when China ain't been the damn enemy? Since when we crying and feeling sorry for China? If y'all don't stop this dumb shit, yo, listen, it's my birthday. I'm trying not to get hot, but the amount of stuff that I was seeing coming across my timeline, the amount of stuff that I was seeing coming across my timeline is ridiculous. Remember, on TikTok, they was getting at these chicks that was saying where to buy the knockoff bags because they're made in the same factory. We are entering a great reset, and Trump is using goofy ass Xi Jinping, whatever the hell his name is, to reset. You want, trust me, you don't want the World Economic Forum great reset. You don't want that when you eating bugs and you'll own nothing and be happy and live in 15-minute cities. You do not want that. You want this shit has to be reset, like it or not. It's going to happen. Hold on. You are going to get down or you are going to lay down. But it's going to happen. D. Griff says Trump should do 400%. That's what Kevin O'Leary is asking for. That's what Kevin O'Leary is fiending for. Okay? So all y'all talking about, with Trump. Shut up. Please. Oh my gosh. Where they DH Gate. That's it. I had to look it up real quick. When them chicks was telling y'all about DH Gate, y'all was getting on their case. Now you got to find out China finally want to spill the beans. And it's only hurting China. It's only hurting their people because we're not ordering from there no more. United States of America is the world's biggest consumers. Let me tell you what this is the equivalent of. For y'all don't want to be goofy about this. Okay? Again, for people that want to send me a cash app for my birthday, thank you very much. I see y'all putting it in. Joel Benjamin 528. That's $ symbol, Joel Benjamin 528. And if y'all want to send me some XRP, don't worry about the tag or memo code or anything like that. You could just send it straight. This is the address right here. All right? You send it to that. Now, back to what I was saying. And I'm going to show you some stuff on Crypto Pro Life, right? One of their latest course. Let me go back to this. So y'all paying that much to go to China to get some fake knockoff bags when they was telling y'all since 2022 on TikTok and 2023 to go to help me out, y'all. DH Gate. Now China want to spill the beans. Look at this. Come on now. Y'all not paying these prices, 2,000, 3,000 for no damn round trip. It's not happening. Stop it. And I hate to come out here and do this, but we are in a great reset. I've been told you, regardless if Trump become president or not, the markets will crash, crypto will crash, this whole system is going to crash, and they're going to build it back up. Why y'all keep thinking I've been telling y'all to get XRP? Why you keep thinking I've been telling y'all to get the different cryptos that's on Crypto Pro Life? So y'all could do something with your life and be prepared for this moment now that everything is dropped. I'm going to show y'all something. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. We're going to do this in real time. I'm going to show you a crypto. Hopefully it's on here. You know what? Let me show y'all this one first. Y'all see? I'm doing this in real time. No gatekeeping. This is a crypto called Baby. Market cap 982.4 mil. It's under a penny. Look at this shit. Look at this. Would you look at this? Crypto Pro Life did say get this. Mind you, I've been telling y'all to get Crypto Pro Life. Let me do the year chart. This is the year chart. They've been saying Crypto Pro Life, they put this out since around when coming or a little after, no, before the Bitcoin halving. And then they've been updating it, right? Look at how low this was. Hopefully y'all could see. Yep, y'all could see it. In 2024. Look at this. Look at this. And they told you where to stake it at. Now, mind you, in America, for some reason, they cut it off, didn't allow us to use Baby Swap in America. You needed to learn to get the damn VPN in order to get in. You had to pay for a VPN. Now, check this out. And know what country to put it on, too. Now, watch this. Watch this shit. Bomb. On the 10th. Okay? Now we're in 2025. Look at the 7-day. On the 10th. Look at this. I can't believe this. It went up to 12 cents. 12 cents. And fluctuated around 8 to 7 cents on the 11th. And then dropped right back down. Now, let me tell you how much you would have made if you had just bought $6 worth. Right around here, anywhere around here, take your pick, anywhere around here. Had you bought, when it went up to that, you know what? Hold on. Because $6 worth, because trust me, I know. Bear with me, people. I want to give you accurate numbers. Because I don't want people to say I'm lying. And you see, I'm going on here showing y'all the chart. I'm trying to teach y'all this. Y'all got to learn this because Trump was in there with Charles Schwab. Show who the real Charles Schwab is. And with another billionaire. Talking about how much money they made. Why they made all these millions to billions of dollars during the tariff wars. The tariff trade wars. And you not making no money. Because you're goofy. $6.51 worth would have got you 4,118 coins. So what we're going to do, let's pull out the calculator. We're going to do the math. 4,118 times 0.12. You would have end up with $494.16. That's just over $6 worth. Mind you, had you put in and staked it when it was around that time, then you would have put in anything like around $3. And with the interest you was collecting in staking that gave you that coin, those coins, you would have end up with $6 and something worth. And you ask me how I know. Ask me how I know so well. So you would have end up with $400 and something. So you know if you put 1,000 in, you know how much you would end up. And this right here, okay, baby. Notice you can't get it at a lot of places. These places, you're not even able to get. You got to know what you're doing in order to get it. Now, I'm going to show you something else that's going on with the financial system. Wait, before I go there, I'm sorry. This one was a doozy. Oh, this one was a doozy today. Check this one out. Crypto Pro Life, I think, put this out, what, since 2023, was it? Or was it 2024? So you see what the all-time was. Very, very high up there, right? And this was in 2024, right? When Crypto Pro Life put this out was around, I think, September. So they kept putting it out on different ones. So you see how low it was. Now look at the 1 day. Check this out. And this is the bullshit I'm talking about. How y'all be missing out. Look how low it is, right? Look how high the sucker jumped. Look at that. Maybe y'all need to see it like this. Okay? Then went down, come back up. Hold on. You see the chart? This went up 100 and something percent. Now it's at 35% because you know people took profit. You know they took profit. All right? This coin right here. You know how long people been holding on to this coin? You know how long? And it just shot up 100 and something percent today. But y'all don't be trying to hear me. And it's a meme coin. It's called King of Memes. Crypto Pro Life told y'all to get it. Now watch this. I'm going to put y'all on to something. I think I showed y'all this before, but I'm going to show you again. It's a reason why I'm bringing this, because this deals within the financial system of what's going on. This crypto is called Provenance blockchain hash, right? All right, we got that. Notice you won't even see a chart for it. It's really around 2 cents. Now check why this is special. This article is from 2023. Mind you, had you got hash, you could stake it and collect interest, right? But I'm going to show you. Remember, they were at the World Economic Forum. JP Morgan tests tokenized portfolios with Avalanche blockchain tech. JP Morgan, Onyx, that's their coin, also tapped Axelar Provenance blockchain and Oasis Pro for its recent Project Guardian pilots. This is the article. Now, when you learn about Provenance and hash and what it's for, and I'm telling y'all, this is not easy. This is one of the hardest cryptos to get. I'm telling y'all right now. But let's move on. Look at this. Here's another article. Mind you, that article was from 2023. Look what they're using. All this is going to be used in this new, it's being used right now currently in this new financial system. JP Morgan owns a whole bunch of it. Look at this. YLDS stablecoin. They debuts as first SEC registered yield bearing digital asset. I'm going to read that for you again in case you went over your head. The keyword you got to look for is first. YLDS stablecoin debuts as first SEC, the SEC, registered yield-bearing digital asset. Watch this. This article is what, from 2 months ago? Check this out. Digital asset marketplace Figure Market has launched YLDS, the first yield-bearing stablecoin registered as a public security with the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission. The stablecoin issued through Figure Certificate Corporation operates on the Provenance blockchain. Provenance blockchain, and pays holders an annual return at the secure overnight financing rate minus 50 basis points. That is incredible, in case y'all don't know. But just check out financing and you'll know. YLDS, you know what? No need reading the rest of this. I guess I should just read that paragraph and move on. Acquires interest daily, just so you know, YLDS, that's a stable coin now, acquires interest daily and distributes payments monthly in either US dollars or YLDS tokens. Just a FYI so you know. Notice it's on the Hash blockchain. Hash is dealing with all the database and the movement of people's assets, keeping track of it. Provenance is the one that they need in order to move into the ISO 20022 compliance. They're not able to do it without Provenance blockchain, their crypto hash. It's not happening. Just so y'all know. That's why they were at the World Economic Forum. I think it was 2023 they were at the World Economic Forum, or 2024. Look at this. Blockchain-based lender Figure gets $200 million investment from 6th Street. This article, also 1 month ago. 6th Street, a private equity firm with over $100 billion in assets under management, has backed blockchain-based lender platform Figure Technology Solutions with a $200 million investment. Figure and 6th Street revealed that the investment in a press release February 27th, the two firms have formed a joint venture in which 6th Street's asset-based finance division will invest $200 million in equity into Figure. The funding will strengthen Figure, connect the platform's private credit lending division by enhancing its own origination capabilities. Hold on. So just so you know what this is about, according to 6th Street, the joint venture will inject. I'm going to read that part again. According to 6th Street, the joint venture will inject $2 billion in liquidity into the non-agency mortgage market through Figure, Meanwhile, Figure Technology will leverage this investment to scale its operation. So while y'all talk about China and they're going to dump their funds and all this is what the big boys is doing in the back. Now you might say, but wait a minute, Joel Benjamin 528, that didn't mention nothing about the crypto you just talked about. Okay, let me just skip all that. I just needed you to see what it is and what they're doing, right? Let's jump to here, because basically y'all got the rest. All for y'all people. Launched in June 2024, the Figure Connect platform utilizes blockchain technology to offer benefits such as market risk hedging and sales automation. I'm going to read that part again. Such as market risk hedging and scale automation. It helps protect with that. So when tariffs and everything going crazy and the market go down, they are still up. Stupid. This is what they're doing. They playing in your face. The Figure Connect network operates on the Provenance blockchain, which Figure uses to onboard all loans. Y'all don't want this work. Y'all don't want this work. Y'all really don't. Y'all really don't. As a leading originator of real world assets, the Provenance blockchain enables Figure's partners to access price discovery through on blockchain loan pool bidding. Y'all don't get what I'm telling y'all. Y'all don't take this serious. Y'all don't know how serious this is. In December 2023, over 40% of Figure's transaction volume occurred on the blockchain. Yo. Stop playing with me, yo. Stop playing with me. Y'all got me messed up out here. Hold on, let me turn on this light. The lighting should be fixed properly because I gotta see something. Oh, nope, it's still messing me up when I come. Sorry about that, people. There we go. See, I gotta leave the other light on. Yo, stop playing with me, yo. Y'all gonna learn I'm the source. Okay? Y'all play too damn much. So while y'all crying, you got Warren Buffett, you got BlackRock, State Street, JP Morgan Chase, all these banks and all these lenders and all these hedge funds using Provenance blockchain. And you teamed up with XRP. Just thought you'd like to know that. And Avalanche and Oasis. Come on, man. Let me see what Mercury 76 says. Hi, Mr. Benjamin. Excited to hear you cook. Shout out of Phoenix. Joel, the only one in the crypto space not afraid to tell you the good and bad and the ugly of crypto and other news that affect out pockets. Threats! This is my birthday. I don't even have to be doing this for y'all. Jay Smith says, talk about Pi Network, please. There's nothing to talk about. Y'all should have been mining and KYCing so you could get the coins. And they ain't even released the rest of coins yet. Why you think Trump started dealing with Pi and Pi Network? Because the majority of Asia was taking it over. Because Pi Network also deals with data. Thus, you mining from your phone. I already did the live stream where I showed they have Pi shops set up in these Asian countries. Places where you have to go and they only take Pi. America needs to catch up. That's why Trump has started the Great Reset. Y'all don't be wanting to hear me though. Jay Smith says, Joel Benjamin 528, tell me about Trump connection. What? Trump connection to Trump. What? Joel Benjamin, please fact check. What do you mean Trump connection to Trump? What are you talking about? I already did a live stream on this. I show where Trump tweeted on Pi. Go back and watch the videos. That's the next thing. Some of y'all don't watch my videos all the way through. Some of y'all don't watch the damn videos. Some of y'all say, oh, I'm going to come back to it. And then y'all get effed up in the game. And then a lot of times, this is the next thing. I done told y'all, contact cryptoprolife@gmail.com and get the latest course. I already told you that. Let them know Joel Benjamin 528 referred you. Okay? I just broke down this article. Forget Pi. I already did stuff on that. Go back and watch the videos. I'm giving y'all this. And this, I learned about this through Crypto Pro Life. I didn't know about this crypto before. I seen they put the crypto up. I'm like, Provenance hash. What the hell is that? And then I started looking into it. And then the World Economic Forum came up. And then I seen the lady doing the interview at the World Economic Forum. As a matter of fact, let me see if I could find you that video. Not that it's going to play any damn way. But I'm going to see if I could find it for you. The lady who was at the World Economic Forum for Provenance, and she's breaking down what Provenance is, what they do, how they deal with all the banks. They're playing in your face, people. They're already preparing for the Great Reset. There is a Great Reset happening. Instead of y'all crying and buying the damn dip or buying when there's blood in the streets, even if it's your own, some of y'all are acting like Jeets, just exit early traders. All right? You got to learn to have diamond hands and not be smooth-brained. Well, let me say it like how they say it in the street. Smooth-brained. Stupid. Let me see if I could find this for you. Providence Blockchain Interview World Economic Forum. Let me see if I get the video. Blockchain and calls. Where she was doing the interview. Please let me come across this video. Hold on, people. Y'all already know. There's the ills of going live. Bro, and this stuff is not easy to find either. Y'all think this stuff is easy to come across. It's really not. I promise you it's not. Go look for it and see. See? Look. So I'm showing y'all, not gatekeeping, showing y'all the Google search. Watch this. Lester, thank you. Happy birthday. Um Mercury 76. Yes, I got Zelle, but it's for a different number. So just text me and I'll give it to you. Lisa 888 says, "Don't worry about them things and consuming, just worry about your pockets. XRP for the win." Frax. Let me see this. All right, let me show y'all this again. For anybody that want to send me a cash app, okay, for my birthday, dollar sign symbol Joel Benjamin 528. And if you want to send me some XRP, don't worry about the XRP tag or memo, whichever one you want to call it. You could just send it like this. That's, you copy that and you could send me some XRP. Just text me and let me know you send it so I can give you a thank you. Okay. Watch this, people. Oh, I'm already over my hour mark. Well, we had technical difficulties, so I'm going to go on a little longer for you. Watch this. So you see, newsroom. This is on the Providence website. Newsroom, Providence blockchain. Morgan joins CoinDesk at the World Economic Forum in Davos to discuss the Providence ecosystem, the case for digital fiat, and the outlook for open finance. Y'all see it here yourself. When you click the link, it takes you to here. Now, you think it would take you directly to that, right? No. You got to comb through it. Look for the article. There we go. And it's a video. Read more. And I'm not gatekeeping. I'm showing y'all to find this information, where to go, so you could do it yourself. Although some of y'all ain't going to want to do it, but hey, that's neither here nor there. Let's see if the video will be available. What's going on here? Hold on. Why does this look like this? Do they want me? I gotta accept. Yep. I don't be wanting to accept their cookies. They need to stop that shit. Okay, I think this is the audio version of the video. So let me see. Maybe y'all might be able to hear this. Maybe y'all won't. Let the commercials. Mm, mm. Bear with me, people. You should be able to hear. Oh my God. With this? Yes. Remember, this is February 2024. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip. See what I'm talking about? Skip, skip, skip. All right. Like I said, I'm doing this in real time for you. You see how hard it is? So let's deal with it because they're not playing what they say. I clicked it for you. I showed you. But funny, look at this. Host Jennifer Sanasi to get to the show every day. Follow the podcast here. On Market Daily, host Jennifer Sanasi speaks with Anthony Moreau, CEO of Provenance Blockchain, about the performance of recently launching spot Bitcoin ETFs compared to the introduction of gold ETFs and particular use of real world assets for trades and institutions. Consensus is where experts convey talk, yada, yada, yada. So when you get time, you listen to this because they're talking about a whole bunch of stuff. Okay? Asking question. I think this is the transcript. And they're giving a whole breakdown of what's going on in crypto and what really are their role in crypto. Okay, so you see where to find it. When you got time, you could go listen to it on your own time. I'm gonna read this part. This is Anthony Morrow from Providence, right? I'll just give you an example. So, home equity line of credit is the only asset class, in my opinion, to have ever been distributed by a public blockchain. And I'll unpack that a little bit. Today, figure and 10 of the 20 largest home equity lines of credit regulators operate on the Providence blockchain today. So now we know it's more. 10 of the 20 largest home equity lines. So don't tell me this shit about China is going to affect the market if they sell on us. And I know y'all never heard of Providence blockchain, the crypto called hash. I know you haven't heard of it. I know this for a fact. Now answer me honestly, people. Who have heard of this? Anybody? Anybody? Be honest. Start typing now. Let me know if you heard of Provenance blockchain. Okay? And they do it because it's more efficient. And when they ledger alone. What they went. I gotta listen to the audio. I doubt he said that part. But they ledger alone, they can warehouse it and securitize it to the tune of about 150 to 250 basis points cheaper than if they did it in the TradeFi, existing TradeFi manager. What this can do at the end of the day is put money back into borrowers' pockets, which we find incredibly exciting. but the process is significantly more efficient. And I mentioned technology is deflationary and allow investors to access home equity in a cheaper and more efficient manner than they could without blockchain. And this opens up a ton of investment opportunities for everyone in the crypto block, in the crypto space, in terms of perfecting the asset, winning the asset, and then secondary market trading of the asset. So in the world of blockchain, is very much about tokenizing financial asset. And if you think the world of financial asset is about $700 trillion compared to about 1 or 2 trillion of crypto asset. We're keeping our eyes on the prize, the big 700 trillion number. And I'm not saying we're going to tokenize all that tomorrow. Oh no, right? Right? Hold up. We're not tokenizing all the 7 trillion tomorrow. We're not going to do that. We just about 200 trillion right now. That's about 200 trillion we already done tokenized right now. See how they be playing in y'all face? And he lets you know that, just so you know, when he lets you know what the crypto market is, this was him throwing shade. When he said the 2 trillion, what's 2 trillion to 700 trillion? It's going to happen asset class by asset class over a long period of time. But we're working hard every day to make this happen. So while y'all panicking and carrying on and crying that the markets is dropping, the crypto markets, the stock markets, and the housing markets is about to take a hard hit soon, Trump is pushing for, I need y'all to understand this. Trump is pushing because he wanted out of China hands anyway. So China thinking they're going to sell on us to hurt us, which is going to bring the price down. And that's when BlackRock, that's dealing with Provenance blockchain, the crypto hash, that's when JP Morgan Chase, knowing that they hold a lot of mortgages, right? JP Morgan Chase Bank, State Street, Vanguard, all of them. I ain't got time to remember the names of every last one of them. They all gonna be coming running in. They all, no, not coming running in yet. Well, yes, they're gonna come running in to scoop it all up because they already using the Provenance blockchain and they're gonna tokenize it and make it easier. All under the guise of China. Everything's failing. It collapsed. Somebody come save us. And here they're gonna come to the rescue because they got the money. They already got the infrastructure set up. This tariff war is a great reset. Why you think him and China going back and forth? As a matter of fact, I won't be surprised if China is in on it, to be honest with you. Now, that's me speculating. But I'm telling you what we know for a fact is happening, what's going to happen. So when people say this dumb shit, show them this. They're already in the work. So now this is Jennifer. Now I wanted to play the audio for you, but I ain't got time to chop it up and find the exact part. So this is the transcript. So anyway, this is Jennifer asking him now. All right. And Anthony, quickly before we go, we are at February now. It feels like January just kind of zipped by. Remember, this is in 2024. What are you watching for the rest of 2024? For all of traders, investors who are listening to this show, what do you watch it? Excuse me. Yeah, well, that's what they put. that should be like who watch it, what kind of insight can they get from you? Here is Anthony. Well, we had some dark times in the industry, of course, under the Biden Harris administration, right? In the industry over the last couple of years. But we think now that interest rates are moving in the right direction. I do see a return to higher asset prices and certainly lower inflation. The Fed has somehow miraculously pulled off its soft landing, probably in real interest rates are low than what the Fed believes. I believe so. I'm looking for asset prices across the board to increase. Personally, that's where I'm betting. And then I'm looking for Providence to lead the change in terms of real world asset on chain. And of course, Jennifer ends it out. Anthony, thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Providence Blockchain Foundation CEO Anthony Morrow. That's it for today's show. So while y'all there panicking, carrying on, acting like you know, this is what's going on in the backdrop. When you thinking everything is all but lost, it's the end, there's no light at the end of the tunnel, these bastards is there with the dimmer. And Trump is in on it. You got to call a Trump card a Trump card. He's in on it. Lower the markets, make everything get low so all of his buddies could come in. I'm going to show you next crypto that Crypto Pro Life had put on. Hold on, let me find it. I'm going to show y'all the next one. Okay? Because I'm just so pissed off at this point. I don't know how y'all don't get it. Luna by Virtual. Watch this. No gatekeeping. I noticed they put it up again, right? 8 point something million dollar market cap. 8.9 market cap right now, right? This is Luna. This is dealing with being an AI agent, by the way. Not an easy token to get, as you can see here with the places, but it can be got. This is the 1 day. This is the 7 day. Jump from 5 cents to 8 cents. Right now, it's 15.76% up. This is the 1 month. It was at 11 cents. Trump happened with everything else. Dropped down to where? 5 cents. Now it hit 8 cents and climbing. This, so y'all know, Luna, the visual and lead vocalist of AI Doll, captivates with her girl next door charm and expressive emotional singing. Known for her kindness and empathetic nature. She embodies a gentle spirit, inspiring fans with her heartfelt performance and relatable persona. AI Doll has over 500K followers on TikTok, averaging 700 gifts per live stream daily. She's the first. Let me highlight this for y'all asses. She's the first AI agent to have launched on virtual protocol initial agent offering platform. She live streams 24/7 over at app.virtual.io /virtual/68. So you see it right here. People, this is what's going on. This is what's happening. This is what's going on under your nose. You got a virtual agent, AI agent, the first one ever, that's live streaming 24/7, collecting money, having fans, and you got a chance to buy the coin. Mind you. Oh, I said 12 cents. Sorry, it was at a penny. My bad. A penny. March 26. Drop down to what? 2 zeros, 50. Nope. My bad. Where we at? Right here. 2 zeros, 54. Now it's at 2 zeros before it makes a penny. 2008. Now watch this. All. We click on all. This was in 2024. The highest it was 24 cents. You see that percentage markup? This is and it's going to go back up to here or past here. I don't know how much to explain to y'all. I'm giving y'all nothing but pure alpha right now. Do I even need to go into XRP? You know they're coming out with multiple ETFs. You know Chase Bank is now able to do some type of some special type of future type. No, not Chase Bank. I'm sorry, Coinbase. It's so much bullish news, and y'all wondering why the price is the price. Let's see, XRP. Mind you, this is one that's going into the strategic reserve. Okay, I'm just showing y'all while y'all panicking with the market, they're looking to bring over everything on the blockchain. Ripple news today, confirm and okay, that was 13 hours ago. I want to find the one with Coinbase. They giving a bunch of sec news on here. Well, this is the most biggest thing that's going on with the legal battle. That already done come to an end. They're going to finalize it. I want to find the one with Coinbase. Hold on, people. Y'all good out there? Matter of fact, I'm already over the hour 62-minute mark. I don't even think I want to find that for y'all. I want to get the damn video really with Provenance at the World Economic Forum. That's the one I want to get for y'all. Let me see. Provenance CEO, future of DeFi. I hope this one is it. Let's see. This is, yep, this gotta be, I think I found it, January 20th, 2023. I hope it plays. I think I'm gonna end it out with this. Oh, you can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Because y'all gonna think I'm lying. Watch this. And I've been trying to find this video. This is not even on the Provenance site. I've been trying to find this video for at least 2 years, going on 3 years now. Right? Check this out. Because y'all won't believe me. This is on the Provenance website. Provenance blockchain CEO on the future of DeFi. Morgan joins CoinDesk at the World Economic Forum in Davos to discuss Provenance ecosystem, the case for digital fiat, and the outlook for open finance. Notice it say video, right? Look, Davos. Ah, you see? Look. See? You got the 404 page, the 404 page. That's weird. Could have sworn the page was around here somewhere. Oh, I bet we just seen it. Look, we're going to do that again. Look. Let's try to scroll down real fast. Look, they block you out from the video. I'm going to show that again. Scroll down real quick. We're gonna capture it. See? Because the information that was being dropped, that she was dropping, was crazy. And this was in 2023. Okay? I remember seeing this video and I was like, because that's when Crypto Pro Life had put it up and was talking about it. And I was like, yo, what the hell? And when I was like, I came across the video with the World Economic Forum, and I was like, wait a minute, this is what's happening? They've been pulling the wool over our eyes for the longest. At that point in time, I never even heard of Provenance. Okay? They're dealing and setting up with the crypto regulation and everything. Let's see. Let's see if we could see this video. Mind you, I'm on their website, the Provenance website. Let's see. We're going to analyze this. Because if I didn't show y'all, y'all would think I'm making this shit up. This is Citi. Future of Finance and Blockchain interview with Morgan McKinney, CEO of Providence Blockchain. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Now, mind you, this is on Citibank. This is citigroup.com website. July 18th, 2022. How many of y'all, I ask y'all a simple question. How many of y'all ever heard of, y'all don't want me to cook. Y'all probably say, yo, it's your birthday. What are you still doing? I'm about to go wash clothes. Then after run, go get me something to eat. This is her right here. Look, when y'all get chance, y'all go watch this video. Okay? They are bringing the mortgage system into, they already have started, they already have done it. So when you're talking about trade wars, this is what's going on. Well, let's see if the video could even play. Y'all probably can't hear. Yeah. Most likely y'all can't hear this. Hold on. All right, people, you good? All right. You reach home? Thank you, boo boo. All right. Go get your rest. Call daddy in the morning. Mwah. Later. Sorry about that, people. These are the ills of going live. When little Miss Benjamin come calling, I got to be answering. So yeah, I tried to let y'all hear the audio for this. It seemed like the audio not coming through. I don't know what's going on when I'm playing the videos and the audios, but y'all see where to find it. This is on citigroup.com. This is to show you how they've been dealing with crypto and blockchain technology while y'all are there panicking about the tariffs and now worried about that Trump is going to mess up the housing market and everything. That's part of the plan. That's part of the great reset. Deal with it. Da-da-da-da. I want to find that World Economic Forum video. That's the video I want y'all to see. Because she was dropping hell of information. And you see when you go to CoinDesk, the page is there, but then they block us out of it. Again, I know y'all don't know how to get hash. It's not easy to get. I promise you, it's not a very easy coin to get. And furthermore, where to store it and where to stake it to get yield, collect interest. Y'all don't know. Contact Crypto Pro Life at gmail.com and let them know Joel Benjamin 528 referred you. Y'all are going to be missing out. Lest, y'all could hit me up, shoot me a text. I don't have problem helping y'all. Y'all see, I'm on my birthday giving y'all this live stream because I know if I didn't get to this now, I wouldn't get to it then because time is running out. The train has left the straight station and right now it's a bullet train. Hey, I'm just a messenger. Okay? I'm really just a messenger. Y'all don't gotta listen to me. Y'all don't gotta care nothing about what I'm saying. I know I'm good. I'm trying to put y'all on so y'all know what's happening out here. So when y'all hearing all this tariff talk and whatnot, wait till the housing market come crashing down. That is the one of the final stage. Why you think they looking to push this crypto regulation? The housing market is definitely supposed to come crashing like around like the ending of 2025 into 2026. I've been told y'all that. A matter of fact, let me show y'all. See, when you deal with the Hebraic mysticism and you start dealing with the Shemitah years and all that, I'm gonna show y'all. Should I show y'all this? I'm gonna show y'all this. I think I did before. Maybe I didn't. Let me see if I could pull this up for y'all. Hold on now, bear with me. Let's see if it'll come up. you're going to see they're going to start something dealing with longevity, into the future of longevity. It will behoove y'all to get up on that. And it's going to be dealing with crypto, blockchain, AI, where they're dealing with your health. Now, keep in mind, once again, I believe I showed you this already, but I'm going to show you again. Seem like some of y'all don't be liking these live streams, boy. That's why I said I'm going to have to start just making the videos. Oh, what's going on here? Sorry about that, people. The ills of going live. Looky what we have here. This chart, period, when to make money. There's a next chart that's very accurate that shows the closing with the housing market and everything else, right? Periods when to make money. This guy who came out with this since in, I believe it's the 1600s, 1675 or something like that. Excuse me, 1975. When did he come out with this? I gotta find out. I think it's the 1800s, if I'm not mistaken. I'm born out 19, 18, something like that. I'm gonna get it for you. This is a signature here, but I can't read the actual year. But I talked about this already. Right? Let me remove this. This is what's going on. This is a cycle. There's a spirituality dealing with this. That's how they're able to get this. Remember, money, water, currency, bank. When you want to hold up the water, you create a bank. People say they're going on maritime law with this financial system. It's deeper than just maritime law. There's a flow, there's an essence, and I ain't trying to get all spooky on y'all, but this is why they deal with charting with the stars, Mercury retrograde, this, that, and the third. This is why they do what they do. Look at this chart. It shows you years in which panic have occurred and will occur again. Years of good times, high prices, and the time to sell stocks and values of all kinds. Look at the date. See that circle there? 2026. And it's going to drop down going into 2023. See, years of hard times, low prices, and good time to buy stocks, corner lots, goods, etc., and hold till the boom reach the years of good times. Mind you, 2023, it shows that it start dropping from 2000 19, right? Start dropping, go all the way down, come to 2023. We know those was bad times, and now we're starting in the uprise of good times. And by the time it hits 2026, the middle or the end of 2026, you better start selling off. And it's going to go down into 2023. And that's when you really start accumulating. And as it goes back up, start coming into the year 2035. You see how we're going with it? 2026 to 2032, go up to 2035, start going right back down to 2039. And this has been 95% accurate. Joel Benjamin 528, aka Big Money Benjamin. Once again, if y'all want to send me some XRP, this is my XRP address right here. I greatly appreciate y'all. Thank y'all very much. Oh, I didn't even put it up. Hold on. Could always copy and paste that address. If y'all want to hook me up with some XRP, I would be very grateful. Thank you. Want to hook me up for your birthday, my birthday. I know some of y'all saying he lost his damn mind. We want to send you that Cash App. What's your Cash App, Negro? So the Cash App also is $symbol Joel Benjamin 528. Happy birthday to me. Again, I gave y'all a gift. I broke down Provenance to you. Provenance blockchain hash. All of y'all that's going crazy and thinking with this tariffs and what's going on, it's not what y'all think it is. Thank you. Tracy Natural said happy birthday. Thank everybody that gave me some good birthday wishes. Thank everybody that's sent me gift for my birthday or hit the Cash App or sent me some XRP. I greatly appreciate you. I do this for y'all. It's my birthday. I don't have to do this. But when the time come and y'all didn't do what y'all have to do, you know I'm going to rub it in your face, right? I'm going to tell y'all I came out on my birthday and gave y'all this information. And right now that Providence crypto is at 2 cents. They keeping the regular retail investor from buying and getting it, but you can be able to get it if you know what you're doing. Joel Benjamin, 528, aka Big Money Benjamin. Salute to the international audience. Salute to the domestic. Peace.